Okay, tonight's one taking off of my list. Um, this performance of it is a live performance in 2025. The song itself was actually debuted back in 2019. And this one had me confused just a little bit when I was looking into it because the English translation of the title is Give Me Your Love. But he had another one that was introduced in 2017 called Give Me Love. One word extra on it. But this particular one, Give Me Your Love, the music to it was written by Dimash. The lyrics, and I am going to have to look at my phonetic here. Jordan Arikalin wrote the lyrics for it. The other one, Give Me Love, in 2017, Dimash performed. He did not write either the lyrics or the melody for it, so there is the difference there. And so I'm not quite sure if the title's just, coincidence or whether it's a matter of English translation of another language that kind of mix things up a little bit. But I'm going to take a look at this live performance of Give Me Your Love. Oh, a little MJ here. He's gotten better with his dancing.
Can't find the words how much it means to me. I can find the words how much you want to be mine. Every time I close my eyes, I can't forget the way you dancing, baby. Look into my eyes, I don't know what to wait for. Give me your love tonight, give me your love. I want mine for you. Give me your love tonight. Oh, ask you for give me your love. I can't run me free. My heart is yours, it's got to believe. Feelings dream about no. Whatever it will take, I'm gonna wait until you give me love.
And because I've got some time, I pulled up the other song. This is the one without your. So it's just Give Me Love on this. And it was, as I said, was written back and debuted back in 2017. This performance is from 2021. And let's go ahead and get this version of Asking for Love. Already can tell there's a different tone to this song.
Sen meni erket sorayman Taqdirdan pas baldağı Mahabat bermagan taqdir Mahabat bermagan Mahabat bermagan taqdir Yürekte qozg'agan Жанымды жалынға орап Өзіңе мастаған Махаббат бермаған тағдыр Махаббат бермаған Ешқашан ешкімде ешкез болмаған Бұл өмір арманнан тұрады Қол жетпес асқақ бәрі Жалғыздан сан мәрте құлады Сан мәрте асқақтады Махаббат бермаған тағдыр Махаббат бермаған Махаббат бермаған тағдыр Жүректі қозғаған Жанымды жалынға орап Өзіме мастаған Махаббат бермаған тағдыр Махаббат бермаған Ешқашан ешкімде ешкез болмаған Өшпейді үміттің шырағы Күйімнен жасқанбады Қай жерде бақыттың тұрағы Саңғайды тасқалдағы Махаббат бермаған тағдыр Махаббат бермаған Махаббат бермаған тағдыр Жүректі қозғаған Жанымды жалынға орап Өзіме мастаған Махаббат бермаған тағдыр Махаббат бермаған Dimash-Give, Mama. Dimash-Give.
Two very different songs, even though they have similar titles. Both beautiful songs. The other one, first one being a very fun, upbeat, as I said, kind of the Michael Jackson influence to it. And I loved watching Dimash doing some footwork on there. And then this one, beautiful kind of soulful ballad sounding to it. So that is going to be it for tonight. I will close out with my usual, wishing you all good health, but above all, peace.